In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the password on your Shopify account. Keeping your Shopify password up to date is really important for the security of your store, especially if you log in from shared devices or you've had the same password for a while. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the exact path inside your Shopify admin to get your password changed safely and correctly. First, sign into your Shopify account the way you normally do and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin homepage, where you can see things like orders, products, and analytics. Make sure you're logged into the correct store if you manage more than one, because the settings we're about to open apply to the store you're currently in. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the settings option. On desktop, you'll usually find it at the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where you manage most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your store. Inside the settings area, find and click on languages. Depending on the layout or any updates Shopify has made, this section might sit among other options like general, users and permissions, and so on. Even though it's labeled languages, we're just using this path to reach the area that links to your account details. On the languages page, look for an option that says Manage Account. This link or button will take you out of the store-specific settings and into your main Shopify account settings. Click on Manage Account to open your personal account page in a new tab or window. Now that you're on your account page, you'll see several sections related to your personal information and security. Here, click on Security. This is where Shopify keeps all the options related to logging in, including passwords and possibly two-factor authentication if you've enabled it. In the Security section, look for the Password area. You'll see an option that says Change Password. Go ahead and click on Change Password. Shopify will prompt you to enter your current password, then your new password, and confirm it. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't use on other websites, ideally with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. When you're done, save your changes. After that, your Shopify password is updated, and you may be asked to log in again using the new password. That's all you need to do to change your password.